Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can convert Windows 7 or 8 to Windows 10. Here on my laptop, I have already installed Windows 10, but the process for upgrading is the same. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Open your browser and now search Windows 10 download. Click on the first link. Make sure it is of Microsoft's. Now download the tool. Once it is downloaded, open the tool. Click yes. Now you can minimize your browser. Now click accept. Now select upgrade this PC and click next. It will now start downloading Windows. So now it is completed downloading Windows 10 and now it's verifying. And now it is creating the Windows 10 media. Make sure you have at least 8 GB free in your local disk C. After creating the media, the tool closes and opens again. As you can see, now it's loading. After it loads, it is now getting and checking for updates. After getting the updates, it will open this window. Click accept. So after everything, this window has come. So click on install. Before that, just check what you want to keep. Select the first option, not the second, not the third. Click next. Now it will check for updates again. After getting the updates, click on this button, install. And now Windows 10 is now installing on your computer. So after receiving all the updates, we have finally installed Windows 10 on our PC. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.